What's up, guys? Hope everybody's doing well and having a great day. Solar activity has increased. There's a couple of CMEs that are headed towards the Earth right now as I do this video. We could see another strong geomagnetic storm like we saw back in April. Here's a photo out of Glendive, Montana, sent in by Ian from April 23rd when there was a very strong geomagnetic storm that sent northern lights all the way down into North Dakota, Montana. I've got some exceptional video footage I want to share with you guys of that event that occurred back on April 23rd. Here just a few minutes ago, there was an earthquake 190 miles from my location over here in the Gulf of California, a shallow 4.5 earthquake coming in at 9.6 miles deep, and there was also a 4.2 earthquake not far from the 4.5, so a little bit of earthquake activity, a moderate 4.5 earthquake not too far from the Arizona border. Coming over here to the homepage of the website, today's feature photo was sent in by Jason Pyro out of Goldendale, Washington. That is one spectacular double-decker rainbow. And along with the photo came a video of this very impressive, low to the ground, jumbo double-decker rainbow. Get a load of that thing, would you? Looks like it was maybe 100 yards from his location. And like he just said right there, that's pretty impressive, and impressive it was. What an incredible video sent in by Jason out of Goldendale, Washington. Thank you, Jason. Really appreciate that. Checking in on the GOES X-ray flux over here at the Space Weather Prediction Center. 2 strong M-class solar flares in the last 24 hours. Looking at a proton event right now as I do this video. When the polar regions on this graph are lit up bright red like that, that typically indicates an ongoing proton event from some sort of solar activity, and that's right now as I do this video. And here's a look at the cannibal CME right there, the second one sweeping up the first one and interacting with the Earth quite possibly on the 17th or the 18th. And the combination of these slow-moving CMEs could produce another geomagnetic storm here in the next 24 to 48 hours. Speaking of storms, look at the power outages over here at poweroutage.us. Right now in Kansas, over 21,000 customers without electricity, 33,000 in Missouri, 18,000 in Texas, 59, almost 60,000 customers in Louisiana, and just over 10,000 customers in Florida. More storms going through the Central Plains right now as I do this video. Here's a look at the winds and hail over here at hailreports.com. I also have a photo of some giant hail that was submitted by Diana Morgan. That hail barely fit in her hand. That would be considered at least softball size hail, probably somewhere in the neighborhood of 3.5 to 4 inch size hail. But yesterday there were reports of 2.75, 2.5, nothing quite as big as this right here. But today very well could produce large hail like Diana saw here a few days ago. But the combination of the high winds and heavy rains are producing more and more power outages. And I've got some exceptional video footage to share with you guys of some of the storm activity. This is probably one of the culprits that took out some of the power in Kansas, El Dorado, Kansas. Video taken by Jake Blake from July 14th of 2023 as storms were moving through Kansas. I've also got video footage of a land spout that was sent in here recently by Douglas Sanderson. That's not necessarily a full-fledged tornado. It may be an EF0, but that's more of a land spout, but it's very defined, and it was in the same general location long enough to get a video. It was moving very slowly, but that is a classic land spout video footage submitted by Douglas Sanderson from just a few days ago. We've also got video footage of lightning in the skies here recently. Ernesto out of Texas put this video in slow-mo as the lightning was cruising through the sky of Texas. Regina out of Oklahoma shared this still image of some incredible lightning above Oklahoma. And going from Oklahoma to Oracle, Arizona, video footage of some incredible lightning above Oracle by Mr. Jan. He put this video in slow motion as the lightning was crawling across the sky above Oracle, Arizona. Just an absolutely amazing video presentation. And here's a still image, a stacked still image of the lightning once again crawling across the sky above Oracle, Arizona. And looking at the wildfire smoke over here at zoom.earth, this is right now as I do this video, and you can see the smoke is very thick in Ohio, Kentucky, Indiana, Tennessee, all the way down into Mississippi and Louisiana, and of course up here in the north central plains in Montana and the Dakotas, down into Nebraska. You would think by looking looking at this map that the wildfires were in the United States, but that's not the case. That's smoke from Canada as the ongoing wildfire event, the large-scale wildfire event, continues coast to coast up in Canada, spanning over 2,000 miles. And just a few days ago, I'm sure you guys have heard by now, there was a landslide in Southern California in Rolling Hills, specifically Rancho Palos Verdes, and I've got some video footage from that location prior to the landslide. And here's the video submitted by Noreen, and in the video you're going to be able to see the top of these structures right here. Check this out. Video submitted by Noreen from the exact location of the landslide. This is obviously prior to the landslide, but she sent in this video of this incredible roll cloud just off the coast of California. And right down here at the bottom of the video, you're going to see the roof of those condominiums or structures right there. See them? I think those might be the ones that were affected by the recent landslides. Right there, see them? There they are, and that's the exact location of the landslides that occurred just a few days ago in Southern California. Now back to the solar storms. The sun has been very active here recently, and here's video footage submitted by Scott from yesterday looking at the Earth-facing side of the sun. Multiple large sunspots in active regions. He took this video yesterday morning around 9:30 a.m. Obviously, this is the Earth-facing side of the sun, and as you can see from this video, the Earth-facing side of the sun is absolutely loaded with activity, active regions, and sunspots that are starting to send CMEs towards the Earth. And there's a couple of CMEs that are inbound, and they're slow movers. And the last time there were slow-moving CMEs interacting with the Earth like that, the sky looked like this right here. Video footage submitted by Missy M out of Williston, North Dakota, taken on April 23rd of 2023 at 11:05 p.m. This is unedited video footage. All I did was put Missy's name on it. She took this video footage again from North Dakota as the skies lit up with green and purple. See a little bit of white in there. Just spectacular video footage here. Normally you'll get a few pictures of the northern lights, but this video footage here is outstanding, and you're going to be able to hear them here in just a second when they notice the sky light up with this bright green. Check that out. Yeah, they were very enthusiastic when the sky lit up like this. I mean, it's one thing to get a few photos of the northern lights, but to get exceptional video footage like that is quite rare. Here's some more video footage in fast forward of the geomagnetic storm visible from North Dakota on April 23rd of 2023 around 11 o'clock p.m. The skies were dancing with beautiful colors above North Dakota, Montana, I'm sure visible from northern Minnesota, and obviously well up into Canada. And the skies could look like this once again if these CMEs do interact with the Earth as anticipated, and they appear to be slow movers like the last one, so they could once again produce some amazing northern lights. Thanks for the photos and videos, guys. Keep them coming. If you guys have any photos you'd like to share, you can send those to reports@mrmbb333.com. If you guys have any videos you'd like to share that are too large to attach to the email, come over here to the homepage of the website. You can always find a link down below in the description box. Look for this red tab that says have a large video. It's a Dropbox. Drag and drop your video into the Dropbox. Please include your first name, date, and location, and I'll take it from there. Thanks for watching. Have a super day, and be safe out there.